Myntri Rangbah Conrad ke Sangma hakakat tarik ula Phylliew Jingmut bagi Nongrep baroh kawei ke Jylla Lyngba ke Dur-Khih. Hakani ke Phylliew bat ke jingiamir Jingmut Myntri Rangbah ula sngap kriaw ke Nongrep ke bala kyntu ben kyntiew ke rep ke riang ke kahat khnang bagi marep ke wanrah ke jingmyntoi ke pat Nongrep baroh kawei ke Jylla. Myntri Rangbah ula batai ke babon ke jingkyrshan bagi sorkar Jylla ke ke Nongrep Lyngba ke skim focus plus bat cm elevate. Mulai itu bagi sorkar kala aish ki Nongrep 6,000 kendai sepak khaneu tylli kali ban pyniaid ke bynta ki Nongrep kylleng ke district bat ki block development ke Jylla. Kini ke sengi ula pelat pat baru iki kali gate turis.
Biji. Nak kadang jonga ngamdan ni ai banong ngadan kawei ke bagi ai publik ya ke sorkar kepala penjo yangi ya kadika fon nak bata cungi kumki Nongrep.
For small things sometimes may look very small to rest of us, but for the farmer that particular moment is very, very important. If it goes away, then the whole year is wasted. So therefore I'm very happy that we are ultimately
Kapapinalag na kawei ka office video office DC tete ka AAP banyo jingiram kane kamang ka kadai.
The importance of this age has to be declared, has to be made aware to most of the people. Not even a single hoarding or a single billboard has been kept in one of the popular places like Police Bazaar, or maybe when you enter Meghalaya, right from, because there's a pride of the country, there's a pride of the state as a whole. I'm not talking just because I belong to this village and I belong because the cave it is in the particular village that I live in. But I think it is high time for us to understand the importance of the cave, because globally it is renowned, and since nothing has been done yet, and even also like a Meghalayan Age Day, where, okay, we know about Meghalayan Age Limited, but we don't have a Meghalayan Age Day. So I would like to suggest, sir, if you can look into these importance, or into the importance of the cave, and maybe have a few hoardings and maybe declare one of the day as a Meghalayan Age Day.
your suggestions are excellent. In fact, I must really congratulate you for the suggestions. Apart from basic awareness and marketing, I think the entire idea of dedicating a certain period, a day or a week or something, or during the festival time, some space can be given. We can figure it out. So I will ask tourism department. We'll discuss more with you and your team to figure this out. But I think it's an excellent suggestion. Even one suggestion that come sometime back, which I could not share with the team, was regarding a documentary to be made on this in the entire Meghalayan age. Like, why? A lot of people have heard the word Meghalayan age, but how did it happen and what is the science behind it? Many people don't know. So a small documentary on that would be something that also could be very, very interesting. But thank you so much. I think it's exactly for reasons like these that we want to interact with you, because we want these ideas and these suggestions. I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through Focus, other programs have other systems, but the Focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is a grant and a subsidy which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, we don't understand. When good is being done, they should support, but in turn they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy, and you will not have to repay back the Focus amount. Karohil suni tentang block pramoni dalon singko ya programo join kakapa pelakang ni kasar pingram. Dasyo sini peninsula block ni berbing saksa. Ingat sen, ya fokus ni tangkara loan ma, maina baka mandirangan, haida makangsi kude ya skim puchkara Jawa, aru bakura Jawa, ani sabarang de chansinga, maina baka mandirangan loan ini chansinga. Undi ka mana kaya chul kur ay di kita talat na skinga, aru na isma sakanti na awiyat na skinga. At sini focus program ni scheme de loan ongcha. Focus program de grant aru subsidy sa. Ya tangka pesarang ko na simang chutna ng Jawa. Aru ita siya kana kata ya scheme ko government as a subsidy or as a grant na simang na kasay. Nasimang ni kamrang na, nasimang ni group ni kamrang na, nga, ya tangkap peserang pun nga inga, undi man saubar ipay mong nasimang na ya katarang ko akan na badunga, undi man nasimang kasapay ako bibirak nabi, dalo ya programo plak block ko ni, tentang constituency, tentang district ramo ni memberang, dalo online join ka, undi man nga namin kusyo nga, ay dadak pa program ko, kangapat sang na, sini Meghalaya State nakpa program ko nakpa skillo at sin atinga uniga manaka nasimang ko magtela aro sini repeng ko ba Jylla dalo da show ya question ko sngatsin biku ba kan tamatsa ya chol kra ya magtelas ka
with a subsidy of 3.57 lakhs 993. The next individual is Vijan Timeri Khat with an amount of 10 lakhs and a subsidy of 3.5 lakhs. Can all the beneficiaries please come forward?
Next, wanrah jingmyntoi PG, Morgan Row, 85,000.
1, 2, 3. It's okay, run over. Good luck. Good luck.
Back, come forward.
This is the new edition. Oh, new edition. Oh. Very nice. Yeah. Good luck. If you like this for bookings, so you can have a hashtag also.